Welcome back! Today, the panda, the bunny, and the monkey are in a giant's kitchen! Everything is so big! Look at the chair! It is a big chair! Our friends are climbing up! Look! This is a spoon! It is a very big spoon! The panda can even...
The monkey is sliding! He is sliding down the spoon! Whee! Sliding is so much fun in the kitchen.
Here is a plate, and look, this is flour. One big bag of flour. Let's make a magic pizza.
The panda is jumping. The bunny has an
egg.
Let's count the eggs.
One big egg.
We need it for our pizza dough.
Look, 2 red tomatoes, 1 and 2. The monkey is rolling the rails.
Now we have cheese. 1, 2, and 3 slices of yellow cheese. The panda loves cheese.
Look over there, 4 green peppers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The peppers are green and big.
Can you help me stir? We are mixing the flour and the water. We are making the dough together. The monkey is jumping on the dough. He is making it flat. Jump, jump, jump. The pizza is getting big.
The panda is spreading the sauce. It is red and yummy. Spread the red sauce all over the pizza.
Let's add mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 big mushrooms for our magic pizza.
And now, olives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 small black olives. This is fun.
More cheese, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 cups of cheese. It looks delicious.
Now the oven. The oven is hot. It is big and hot. We must be very careful near the oven.
The robot is helping. He is pushing the pizza into the oven. Push, push. Well done, robot.
We are waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 minutes. The pizza is cooking.
Ding, the pizza is ready. Look, 9 slices of pepperoni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let's drink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 boxes of juice.
What a great day! We made a magic pizza in the giant's kitchen. We learned numbers and food. Goodbye, Giant's Kitchen. Goodbye, friends.
See you next time for more English practice. Goodbye.